If you've ever wondered how to delete incognito history on Chrome, the first thing you need to know is this. Incognito mode is designed to stop Chrome from saving your browsing activity in the browser itself. So if you're trying to remove what was stored during the session, the most important step is to close every incognito window completely. In today's video, I'll show you the simple steps to clear what can be cleared, improve your privacy, and clean up extra browser data the right way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and browser guides. Let's start with the most important method. Close every incognito tab and every incognito window completely. You want to make sure there are no private browsing sessions still open in Chrome. Once you close them, Chrome automatically deletes the incognito session data it was holding in memory. This is the key step because if an incognito window is still open, that session is still active. Now, it's important to understand something here. Incognito mode does not save your browsing history to Chrome history in the normal way. So there usually isn't a traditional history list to delete afterward. But if you want to make sure your browser is cleaned up as much as possible, the next step is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. This can help remove leftover site data, temporary files, and stored login information. To do that, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That shortcut opens the clear browsing data window right away. From there, choose the data you want to remove. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the main items that can remain after browsing, even if you used incognito mode. Once you've selected the right options, click Delete Data. This step is especially useful if you want to sign out of websites, remove temporary browser files, or start fresh with Chrome. It doesn't delete incognito history in the traditional sense because incognito history is not stored the same way, but it does clear a lot of the related browser data that may still be on your device. If you want to go one step further, there's an advanced method you can use on Windows, and that is clearing the DNS cache. DNS cache stores temporary records of websites your computer recently looked up. It's not the same as browser history, but flushing it can help remove temporary traces and refresh your network lookup data. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After a moment, Windows will confirm that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This is a quick and effective cleanup step, especially if you want a more thorough reset of temporary network data. So to recap, if you want to delete incognito history on Chrome, the first and most important thing is to close all incognito windows. Then, if you want to clean up more browser data, clear your cookies and cached files using Ctrl, Shift, Delete. And if you want like an advanced cleanup on Windows, flush the DNS caches from Command Prompt as administrator. One last reminder, incognito mode is privacy focused, but it does not make you invisible online. Websites, employers, schools, and internet providers may still have records depending on the network and the device you're using, so it's always smart to combine browser cleanup with good privacy habits. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.